Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics. This video will focus on chapter 4, permutations and combinations, and let's aim ourselves to learn two things from this video. Alright, so I'll let you have a few seconds to go through the question first, and I would like you all to determine for each question, is it a permutation question or a combination question? Alright, so hopefully you will all have your answers ready, and I will let you all know the answers when we go through the questions, okay? So for first part, the things we can highlight is there is a quiz competition team and we need 15 participants, and we can select these participants from these 8 boys and 10 girls. So we need to find the number of ways that we can form this team if we need at least 8 girls, right? So this question involves forming groups, so this is actually a combination question, right? Because I just need to select that student inside my team. I wouldn't need to know whether this selected student is the first to select, the second to select, third to select, and so on. We just need that student to be in my team, and that's it, right? So since this is a combination question and it has a at least, or meaning there's an inequality there, so I can introduce a way which is to use the table method. So this table method, firstly, we need to first identify the groups first. So it will be girls and boys for this case, and we need to consider the group which has the condition first. So let's say girls has a condition and we have at least 8 girls. So let's list out the first possibility first, which is 8 girls lah. And then we can add the girls one by one. So we can add to 9, 10, 11, and so on. But we need to make sure we do not exceed the max. So the max is 10 girls. So we cannot consider this as a possibility. So we need to stop at 10. So we have 3 possibilities here. Alright, so from each possibility, I need to calculate the number of boys. So from 15 participants, if there is 8 girls, it will be 7 boys. 9 girls, there will be 6 boys, and so on. And now for each possibility, I can write out the expression ready. So from 10 girls, which is the total girls we have, we can choose 8 out. And for boys, the maximum is 8. So from 8 boys, I choose 7. So this is the first possibility. The second possibility, the same thing, so we need to add. So here, 10 girls, we choose 9. 8 boys, we choose 6, and so on. So the total number of ways would be 696. And for part B, there are actually 2 cases. The first case is we have these 7 pearls and we need to arrange them in a circle to make a bracelet, as you can see in diagram 3A. And the second case would be we need to use 6 beads and we need to select 4 of them to arrange it on a hair clip, which you can see in diagram 3B. So the question asks, for these 2 cases, are the number of ways to arrange the pearls and the beads is the same or not? Okay, so since this involves the arrangement of pearls and beads, this is actually a permutation question. Alright, so by going to the first case, we can see that this is a circular arrangement and this is a wearable item, right? So if we want to find the number of ways, we need to consider this is a circular arrangement and we need to arrange all of them. So we can use this table of formulas. So our case will be circular and all, we need to use this, right? So n means the number of things we need to arrange. So in here is the 7 pearls, so it will be 7 factorial divided by 7. So this is 720. But this is the wrong answer, right? Why? Because this is a wearable item. We need to divide our answer by 2. Alright, so why is it so? Alright, so let's say this is a bracelet. If you can see from my video, so from the current calculation, it says that this arrangement and this arrangement is different, right? So if we wear it, it's a different story. So this is the front view and this is the back view. So you can see these two arrangements are the ones I showed just now. Front view, back view. So why I say it's a different story is because I didn't change or split these two things out. I didn't rearrange the whole thing. So this arrangement and this arrangement is actually the same, because we are using different perspective to look at this bracelet. One is from the front view and one is from the back view. So if it's a wearable item, these two arrangements is considered one. So every two arrangement, it will be considered as one arrangement. That's why here, going back to the question, we need to divide 2. So the answer here would be 360. Alright, and for part B is quite straightforward, because from the 6 beats we need to select 4 of them out to arrange. So it would be the normal case and selection would be sum. So it would be NPR. So it would be 6. We need to choose 4 to arrange. So it would be 360. So these two answers are the same. So the final answer would be yes. Both of the ways to arrange is the same. And with that, we have completed today's question. Alright, so the things we need to learn from this video, or the take-home points, would be, the first one is, for combination questions, and if there is an inequality questions, let's say at least or at most, we can use this table method to find the number of ways. So we need to identify the groups first, and we need to list all the possibilities out, right? And the second one would be, we can use this table of formulas to help us find the number of different ways for normal, which is normal arrangement, and circular arrangement. So if you compare the normal formulas with the circular formulas, we need to divide an extra thing at the bottom. Okay, so why is it so? Because this one, for circular, we are dividing the number of things we need to arrange. So since here is n factorial, means we need to arrange n stuff. So here we need to divide n. And for here is from the n items, I choose R to arrange. So at the bottom, we need to put R. Right? And remember, for circular, if the thing is wearable, we need to divide our answer by 2. Right? So here's the answer scheme for this video. For this question, and hopefully you have learned something new from this video. So if you feel this video is beneficial to you, please give a like, subscribe, and share. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.